Good afternoon, my students. How are you today? Are you ready? Okay, very good. If you are ready, I am ready too. Let's pray. Stand up, please. Before we study English, let's pray together. Start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa amalan salihah. Amin. Finish. Thank to our teacher. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my students. Please sit down well and politely. Take your book and pen and please open it.